Takuda kuita question number 2 pahomework 9.0. Remember kuti taita topic yesecular measure. Saka question number 2 iri kutorwa from a Cambridge paper written in November 1995. Question iyi iri kuti the diagram shows a sector OAB of a circle center O in which angle AOB is equal to 120 degrees. At 1, show that area of sector OAB over area of triangle OAB is equal to 4 pi over 3 root 3. Saka tiri panapa manje, let us reproduce this diagram. Saka we do have a radius center O, another radius. Panapa tine an angle of 120 degrees. Then we have this chord. Twataita this arc. Here it's A, panapa it's B. Saka zvatiri kunzi tiite this question, tiri kuda kutsvaga the area of sector OAB, totsvaga the area of triangle OAB. Tikazvidivida zvinofanirwa kureduce 4 pi over 3 root 3. Saka tisati taenda ikoko manje, we do have a problem. Angle yedu iyi, it's written in degrees. Asi kana tikatarisa answer yedu, tiri kuona kuti area of sector OAB dividing area of triangle OAB should reduce to 4 pi over 3 root 3. Because of ka pi pari panumerator yedu, tiri kuwana an idea kuti our angles should be in radians. So tinogona kushandisa izvozvo kuona kuti we should convert 120 degrees to radians. Or rather, tinogona kushandisa our general knowledge of secular measure kuti in advanced level, especially kana tichiita secular measure, normally kana kuti generally we use radians instead of degrees. Saka chachatanga kuita panapa, we need to convert 120 degrees to radians. Method yandichashandisa inini, ndichashandisa proportion. So I'm going to be using proportion. Tinoiweka sei? We already know kuti pi iri equivalent to 180 degrees. So this is a statement. Pi iri equivalent to 180 degrees. Tinoiwana kupi? Tinoiwana panapa. Takadzidza isusu kuti a full revolution, kana kuti a complete revolution, vamwe vanoiti a complete circle, it's equal to 2 pi. So a complete revolution is equal to 2 pi rad. But we also know kuti kana tiri kuma degrees, a complete revolution inenge iri equal to 360 degrees. So because of this, takaona isusu an equivalence between 2 pi rad and 360 degrees. Saka panapa manje kana tichida kuiredusa, toda kuziva kuti pi inenge iri equivalent to chii. Chachatanga kuita kudropa ma units. Saka panapa tichangonyora iri 2 pi, panapa tongonyora iri 360. Then of course kuti tiwane kuti pi ndiani, we divide both sides na 2. So divided by 2 divided by 2. This implies kuti pi inenge iri equivalent to the half of 360. Tikati 2 into 2 ndi 1, 2 into 3 ndi 1, to carry 1, 2 into 16 ndi 8, and 2 into 0 ndi 0. So pi is equivalent to 180 degrees. Saka from this statement, a complete revolution is equivalent to 360 degrees, also equivalent to 2 pi rad. From this statement, ndo patinoita deduce kuti pi iri equivalent to 180 degrees. So taziva kuti pi iri equivalent to 180 degrees. takuda kutsvaga isusu kuti for 120 degrees iri equivalent to chii. So 120 degrees iri equivalent to something we do not know. 120 degrees iri equivalent to an unknown. Saka panapa we can assign any variable. Saka ndichashandisa one of the most common variables which is x. Saka ndo maitiro atinoita proportion. Chatiri kuda kuita, we need to convert 120 degrees to radians. Why do we need to convert 120 degrees to radians? Inauye idea yatiri kuwana from our answer. Answer yedu iri kucontaina pi, because our answer should be 4 pi over 3 root 3. Because of that, we ought to convert 120 degrees idzo to radians. Tinozviita sei? There are many methods of doing it. As in, I'm going to be employing the method of proportion. Saka proportion yangu manje, chekutanga chandoda kuti muite recognize panapa ndechekuti tinotanga tanyora yandinoti a true statement. So this is a true statement. And a true statement pakuti pi iri equivalent to 180 degrees. And tazviprova patanga tichicalculata tichishandisa a complete revolution, tikaequata 2 pi to 360 degrees, tikareduce pi to 180 degrees. Saka paproportion maitiro andinoita, tinotanga tanyora the true statement. After tanyora true statement, our next statement is going to be basically the question. Question yedu manje ndeyekuti we need to convert 120 degrees to x. X iringo representa an unknown variable. So tadai so much tichaita sei? Tichati isusu kuside kuno kuna pi na x, tichaconverta pi na x into a fraction. Saka ichava pi over x. So pi over x it's equal to, then instead of ma semicolon tichaisa equalos kana kuti equal to. Then kuno to convert this again into a fraction 180 over 120. So ndo zvachaita panapa. Ndoda kudzokorodza. Kuside kunoku pi over x handi. Kuside uku 180 over 120. Ma semicolon or replace on equal sign. So the reason ndanyorera kuti true statement nekuti question zvandabva kudzima manje manje indau yekuti kana ma statements of proportion ako anonzi ma statements of proportionality. I call them statements of proportionality. Saka kana ma statements of proportionality ako asiri correct, automatically this expression cannot, this equation is going to be false. So you have to make sure kuti your first statement is a true statement. True and accurate mathematically, pi is equivalent to 180 degrees. You should also make sure kuti your next statement is the question. Tiri kuda kuziva kuti 180 degrees is equivalent to what? Saka panapa instead of kuisa a question sign, tabva taassigna a variable. Chimwe chandoda kuti munzwisise panapa ndechekuti, can you note kuti kuside kunoku taisa ma degrees and then kuside uku taisa anything involving pi, taisa ma radians. Saka make sure kuti kuside 1 kune the same unit, degrees degrees. Ku the other side kune the same unit, radians radians. Zvandiri kureva panapa ndezvekuti dai tatanyora takati pi is equivalent to 180 degrees, tozoti 120 degrees is equivalent to x yatisiri kuziva. This would be a false statement. Pamusana pekuti kunoku kune ma degrees and radians, kufanirwa kungova ne a unit, kufanirwa kuva ne the same unit. So degrees degrees, radians radians. Saka I felt I have to clarify here before taendera mberi. Tiri panapa manje taconverta either side into fractions, tikareplace ma semicolon ne equal sign, therefore creating a mathematical equation kana kuti mathematical expression. we now need to solve the mathematical equation. Saka I'm going to walk you through how you solve the mathematical equation. But I'm sure at this level, we already know kuti tinosolva sei mathematical equations. So what we are going to be doing first, chata cancel out mazero anai, tobva taredusa 18 over 12, tichishandisa 6 into 12 ndi 2, 6 into 18 ndi 3. Kureva kuti panapa tava na pi over x is equal to 3 over 2. Toisolva sei? Toda kuemploya method inonzi cross multiplication. Cross multiplication. Saka cross multiplication inoti iyo, this denominator is going to multiply this numerator. This denominator is also going to multiply this numerator. So zviri kureva ndezvekuti 2 uno uyu achamultiplya pi uyu is equal to 3 uno uyu omultiplya x uyu. Kureva kuti we have 2 pi is equal to 3x. Saka cross multiplication inongoaplya chete kana iri an equation. Ende chinoita kuti chinhu chive equation inhau ye-equal sign. Cross multiplication haiapply kana pasina equal sign. Hatigoni kuita izvi kana pasina equal sign. Saka kungoita reiterate a common mistake inowanzokuitika in mathematics, which I do not expect kuti you still have the same mistake at advanced level. Saka tadai so manje, we now need to solve 2 pi is equal to 3x. Tichaita sei? This stage chatiri kuda remember kutsvaga x. Saka kuti tiwane x, kuti ti-isolate x, tichadivide both sides na 3. Saka panapa 3, panapa again futishi 3. Saka 3 uyu achaita cancel out neuno uyu. Kureva kuti tichasarwa tiina x, takonyora takachinja masides. X iri equal to chi 2 pi over 3, togona edu kuti radians. Kureva kuti 180 degrees iri equal to 2 pi over 3 radians. Alright. Saka zvatadai so manje zvinorevei? Zvinoreva izvo kuti this angle iri equal to chi 2 pi over 3 radians. 2 pi over 3 radians. Let us go back to our question. Toona kuti question iri kumbodei. Question iri kuti the diagram shows a sector OAB of a circle center O in which angle AOB is equal to 120 degrees. Show that part 1, area of sector OAB over area of triangle OAB is equal to 4 pi over 3 root 3. So tichaita sei panapa? To answer our question, zvatichaita ndezvekuti tichatanga tati isusu consider area of sector OAB. Saka tinotanga takusolva the area of the sector OAB. But area of sector OAB tinoiwana sei? Tinoziva isusu kuti area of sector iri equal to half r squared theta. Saka taziva kuti area of sector iri equal to half r squared theta. Tikatarisa pasector yedu inoi tirikuona kuti hatina kupiwa chi? The radius. Saka since tisina kupiwa the radius, it does not matter. Tichangotreata this radius as r, totreat again this radius as r. Saka panapa manje takuita substitute into this formula, takuti isusu area of sector OAB iri equal to half r squared multiplying theta, of which theta taisolva kumusoro kuno kuti kawanani 2 pi over 3. So it's half r squared multiplying 2 pi over 3. Saka kusolva panapa kufango kunetsa. This 2 is going to cancel out this 2. Zvinoreva kuti eventually our answer is going to be 1 times r squared times pi, tinowana pi r squared dividing, then panapa 1 iri panapa, 1 times 3 tinowana 3, kureva kuti the area of sector OAB it's equal to pi r squared over 3. Calculate the area of sector OAB. What we now need to do is we have to calculate the area of triangle OAB. Saka tichadzika zvakare toti consider area of triangle OAB. Consider area of triangle OAB. Saka we know isusu kuti the area of triangle OAB inenge iri equal to chii? Tikatarisa panapa triangle yatiri kuda it's OAB, this triangle. Saka we can reproduce triangle iyi pazasi apa. Saka triangle yatiri kuda ino iyi. This is AB and this is chi? This vertex ndi O. Panapa tacalculate tikaona kuti this angle 120 degrees converted inenge iri 2 pi over 3. Okay, panapa it's R, pano it's also R. Traditionally, tinoziva kuti the area of a triangle is given by half base times height. But hatikwanisi kushandisa that formula here pamusana pekuti we do not have a perpendicular height. What we do not have is this height yandiri kurepresenta nemadots aya. Hatina a perpendicular height. So the area of triangle OAB inenge iri equal to half of AB sine theta. Half of AB sine theta. Of which AB malines anoita enclose kana kuti create the angle. Kureva kuti in this case A na B ndi R, R. Saka panapa this is going to be equal to half of R times R ndiani ndi R squared sine of our theta ndi 2 pi over. Masolvero atinoda kuita ndeyekuti toda kutanga tadetermina kuti sine 2 pi over 3 ambori ani. Saka we are going to compute this, then tozoya to multiply na half R squared. We have to make sure firstly kuti calculator yedu iri in radians, haizi mumadegrees kana kuti magradians. Answer yatinowana ndi √3 over 2. Kureva kuti panapa we have half R squared multiplying √3 over 2. Saka tikada kuchimultiplya zvinhu zvese zviri kuwanikwa kunumerator kwedu tichati 1 times R squared times √3 tinosara tina √3 R squared divided by tikati 2 times 2 tinenge tiina 4. So this is the area of triangle OAB. Tichidzoka kunoku tirikuona kuti tacalculate the area of sector OAB, tikacalculate the area of triangle OAB, so chasara we have to divide them. Saka tichaita sei? Tichati susu area of sector OAB dividing area of triangle OAB, this is equal to value yatawana pa area of sector OAB amborani tawana iri pi R squared over 3. Saka chaya panapa toti pi R squared over 3 divided by, instead of division line tati divided by. What about area of triangle OAB? Tawana iri √3 R squared over 4. Saka it's √3 R squared over 4. Let us divide this tuone kuti zvinoita reduce here to 4 pi over 3 √3. Saka panapa zvatichaita manje tichati isusu this is equal to pi R squared over 3 multiplying the reciprocal of the divisor, which is 4 over √3 R squared. So tadai manje takuti R squared ino E and yakuchekana nechi ne R squared E. Kureva kuti tasarwa isusu tina pi times 4 ndiani ndi 4 pi over 3 times √3 ndiani ndi 3 √3. tikadzokera kuquestion yedu yati iyo show that area of sector OAB over area of triangle OAB iri equal to 4 pi over 3 root 3, of which answer yedu yabuda iri 4 pi over 3 root 3. Saka panapa we can safely and proudly say shown. Tinenge tatopedza this question. We have shown that the area of sector OAB dividing the area of triangle OAB gives 4 pi over 3 root 3. Let us now go over to the second part of this question. The second part of this question is to find the exact value of length of arc AB. So this is the arc AB over the length of chord AB. This is the chord AB. Zvatichatanga kuita panapa kuti consider, we do have to consider the length of arc AB. Saka pakuconsider the length of arc AB, tofanirwa kuziva isusu kuti length of arc, kana kuti arc length rather, let me say arc length. Arc length iri equal to r theta. So this is the formula which gives the length of arc inogona kunzi iyo arc length. Saka panapa we are going to say r multiplying what is theta, taconverta 120 degrees ikatipa 2 pi over 3. Kureva iko kuti the arc length is going to be equal to 2 pi r over 3. This will be the answer. This is the arc length. Tapedza kudaro, now we do have to find out what is the length of chord AB. Saka tichati consider length of chord AB, of which is isusu. Let us do this. Tikada kuita extract triangle yedu ino ish, and inenge yakadai so AB, then panapa tinenge tina 2 pi over 3, then pa point E, which is the center, ndi O, kunoku ndi R, kuno ndi R. What we need is, we need the length of chord AB. Kuti tiwane length of chord AB, we are going to employ the cosine rule. Saka I need you to discuss kuti why tisina kushandisa the sine rule. Why again tisina kushandisa Pythagoras theorem kana kuti matrig ratios. It should be easier to know kuti why tisina kushandisa Pythagorean theorem kana kuti matrig ratios pamusana pekuti triangle yatiinayo, it's a non-right angled triangle. It's not a right angled triangle. But why didn't we use the sine rule? Saka I need you to discuss that. Saka pakushandisa the cosine rule, tinenge takuti isusu this side, let us call it beta. And saka kuti tiwane beta, tinenge takuti isusu beta squared iri equal to r squared plus r squared minus 2r squared cos of this angle 2 pi over 3. But vamwe vangada kuziva kuti ko izvi zvambobvepi? A generalized formula kana kuti application of the cosine rule. Generalized application inenge ichiti tiri kuda kutsvaga AB squared. So AB squared inenge iri equal to AO squared plus OB squared minus 2 multiplying AO times OB multiplying the cos O, kana kuti ngatiti cos theta, where theta is 2 pi over 3. Saka ndiko kwabva that expression. So zvatinogona kutoita panapa ndezvekuti tinotanga tanyora kuti AB squared is equal to AO squared plus OB squared minus 2 multiplying AO times OB cos theta. Then tozo substitute tozonyora tichiapply to this particular triangle. Beta squared is equal to r squared plus r squared minus 2r squared cos of 2 pi over 3. Tadai so manje, let us solve this. Zoreva izvo kuti beta squared, which is this side ratiri kuda iri beta, it's equal to r squared plus r squared ndi 2r squared, andika subtracting 2r squared cos 2 pi over 3. Saka panapa takuti isusu beta squared is equal to 2r squared minus 2r squared. What is the cos of 2 pi over 3? Tikaisa mucalculator inobuda iri minus 1 over 2. Kureva kuti takukwanisa kucancel out this 2 and also this 2. Saka panapa tinenge taana beta squared is equal to 2r squared minus r squared multiplying minus 1, since ma2 achekana. Saka tavana beta squared is equal to 2r squared minus r squared times minus 1, then the plus. So it's 2r squared plus r squared. Beta squared is equal to 3r squared. Nepamusana pekuti 2r squared plus r squared inotipa 3r squared, which is the length of chord AB, the square root of the left hand side and also the square root of the right hand side. Saka beta iri equal to the square root of 3r squared. Asi manje, according to what are called surds, tikada kuinyora in surd form, tinenge takuti isusu the square root of 3r squared iri equal to the square root of 3 multiplying the square root of r squared. This means kuti we have the square root of r squared ndi r, saka tina r multiplying the square root of 3, which is chi r root 3. Saka panapa beta inoi inenge iri equal to r root 3 kana tanyora this in surd form. Okay, ngatidzokere kuquestion kwedu tuone kuti what are the demands of the question. Question iri kuti titsvage the exact value of the length of arc AB over the length of chord AB. Saka tichaya panapa tobva tati isusu length of arc AB over length of chord AB is equal to, pa length of arc AB tambowana chi, pa length kana kuti arc length of AB tawana 2 pi r over 3. So panapa tichati 2 pi r over 3 divided by, instead of kuisa this division line, ko pa length of chord AB tawana r root 3. So it's 2 pi r over 3 dividing r root 3. Saka let us divide this. Izvi zvinoreva izvo kuti 2 pi r over 3 multiplying 1 over r root 3. And saka tangoita take the reciprocal of r root 3, which is 1 over r root 3. Pata replace a multiplication sign ne division sign. Rather, pata replace a division sign ne multiplication sign. This transition, I'm sure kuti takaidzidza as early as primary level. Teacher wedu isusu aiti pidiguration, which is just a twist to the word pidigura, dongorisa kuchirungu richibuda riri pidiguration. Okay, saka panapa teta kuti chi tinenge takuti r ino ishi yakuchekana nani na r uyu, kureva kuti tasarwa tina 2 pi times 1 ndi 2 pi over 3 times root 3 ndi 3 root 3. This is the exact value of the length of arc AB over the length of chord AB. I-exact pakuti pi tangoisiya yakadaro. Tikada converta pi into 22 over 7, tinenge tatotsvaga an approximate value of length of arc AB over length of chord AB. Tikada zvakare converta pi into 3.14, the worse. Tatova ne a very inaccurate approximate value of the length of arc AB over the length of chord AB. So that is our final answer. And that answer is marking scheme verified. I don't post videos if I haven't verified my answers that they are accurate and they are correct. So thank you for watching this lesson. If there are any questions, you can ask in the comments section. Kana kuti contact me directly. Otherwise, take care.